Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be a quick haul video, especially as the December starts and my little scrapbook store is having its 12 days of Christmas where there's sales every day for the first 12 days of December. Definitely check out some of the stuff I got and you're going to want to check out the sales. So I'm going to start with some of the packages that were kind of pre-wrapped and separate. Michelle, let me tell you, if she should get an award for how she packs stuff because it be so secure. It's crazy. So I got this cleaning. It's the honeysuckle one from Brutus Monroe for cleaning your stamps. I use it really on almost everything, but um, I was running low, so I wanted to get another one to have just in case. And then these are the new Picket Fence watercolor. They're like with droppers and they're in a glass bottle. And I wanted to check those out. This one is, um, which one is that one? The Snowball? Snowflake? No. Yeah, it's the one with the, hold on. Because they're the colors that she got were, yeah, that one was liquid white snowflake, and then there's a opaque white, and then there's an opaque black, and then there's a black magic, which I'm assuming is probably like the snowflake white where it may have a little like pearlescent to it. And then we get a silver, and I got a yeah, liquid silver and a liquid gold. So I got these because I think they would be fun for splatters. They're actually called um, Paper Splatter Watercolor by Picket Fence. And I think they actually have like a whole bunch of colors, but these are the colors that Michelle had gotten in. And I think these are good ones to start with because these work really well for your splatters. So I always use black and white. Everybody knows that. And then I also like to use gold or silver as a highlight as well. So these are Doodlebug's new albums, the 6x8 albums that they got in. I got the, I forget what this color is called by them, but I got the gray and I got the one that was like apricot or coral color. I like that color really a lot. Usually I would get pink, but I really like that color. Okay, so I got my other box out. And we're going to start opening up this. So I got the ribbon up at the top, and I pulled down my old foam roll, and she finally got the black one in, so I got a replacement one for that. Excuse me. In here, I got the latest two colors from Catherine Pooler, which is copper and bronze. And I got the refill for bronze. I think the copper refill was on back order, so I'm on wait list for it. So we got those. And then in here, we got the latest group of spritz colors. So right now, there's a total of 3 sets out. And I'm going to hold up some of these. Hickory Smoke, Salvage Patina, Rustic Wilderness, Bundle Sage. I love Bundle Sage. That's one of my favorite greens. And then in here we have, oh, I'm going too fast. Villainous Potion, Crackling Campfire, Frayed Burlap, Tattered Rose, which is a very light pink. It's so pretty. And Squeezed Lemonade. And then in conjunction with that, she also got the tins in. Now the tins are created for these, and they just lay down inside the container. And I'm just going to put all these right in, so that way that's where they'll lay. And if the tin fits 12. So as the sets come out, you can put, each set in. I think as after we get all the sets, I want to maybe change mine to be in uh, watercolor order. So all the reds, yellows, oranges, you know what I mean? Like going all the way into our neutral colors. So that's fun. So let me try and put these over to the side. Trying to have enough room so I can show you guys everything. Okay. So this collection or this package is kind of like a mixture of things, but I'm going to try and go through here. All right. Sorry, real quick. I always check my papers because sometimes Michelle will write a note on it, or she'll say, like this is coming in if something is, by chance missing or anything like that. So I always take a quick look through just to make sure I'm not missing anything. And I put that to the side, and now I'm going to show you what's all in here. So I got another one of these because you can never have too many, and I needed more of those little foams. And then I got 2 packages of the sandpaper, which will be fun to try. I do not remember buying 2 of these, but I in fact did. So guess what? My bestie's going to get one. And then I like this cloud stamp and stencil. That's super cute. We'll get to the 49 and Market in a second. I'm going to try and pull up everything else that's not a part of what's left. Okay. So I did get a couple more of these Bella Boulevards. I love these like large titles where you can just back them with the different color papers, pattern papers. So I grabbed those and some more of those numbers, which are good for December daily. And then this is a new cover plate. It does like piercings into your paper for snowflakes, which would make a great background. And then All Create has these cute trees. I have a thing for tree stamps. Don't ask me why. And then the main thing is this. It's like the book nook from Lawn Fawn. So I got the small collection. I got this small stencil set from Tim Holtz. This is a bookmark. So it's a die cut that will create like a bookmark and stuff, which I'm super excited about. And then we have the different book stack. It'll do that there. That's so cute. And then I got this one, which is the Woodland Creatures, the little book, like treehouse looking thing. You get a stencil that goes with it and the dies. Now the stencil is really cool because it'll line up with the different elements within the stamp and it makes it easy to color. And then we had the lights, like the Christmas lights. Whew. Okay, so on this one, this is a kit that Michelle sold that comes with a what would you call that? A template, and it's with simple stories. And with it, I want to say you can make, with what's in this group, is like 5 layouts. Okay. And like each page, it tells you what you need and how to put it together. And it's really focusing on using that particular template with the 4x6 and then the 2 3x4s. And what's really cute is you can do a photo 4x6, you can do your cut aparts, and that works either way with the 4x6 or the 3x4s at the bottom. So this is going to be fun to play with, and I like this collection. I love fall. Fall is probably my favorite season. So this will be fun to continue to play with because in the winter months, yeah, I don't mind playing with fall. I love the color palettes. I love it all. And you get solids. You get the we're going to have fun with this. Okay, so I'm going to put everything that comes with that back in. And then the Grand Legrand 49 and Market, which never disappoints. I am opening up the bag. I love these little bags that they've been doing. I think they hold a lot of great stuff. And then inside you always get some enamel dots, which I tend to forget about. So putting the items in there from the collection would probably be helpful. So that way I remember I have them. Just talking to future T. Okay, so now to go through this, we got the 6x8 paper pad, and we also have these like recipe cards. And then we got the washi tape, which is solid on one side, and then on the other side, it has like elements that you can peel out. There are two different laser cuts. This one is all about the food. So you see wine bottles, groupings of meals. This is a rub on sheet. I like the words and the stars. So there's a lot of good elements. I did wind up getting an extra set of sheets and an extra set of the main paper collection for this collection, because I like to have two of each, and in the collections themselves you do not get two of each. FYI, if you've never had 49 and Market, you're only going to get one of each sheet. Okay, so inside the scrappy bag though, you get this um collection kit, which they started putting together collection kits where they have the paper collection and they also have like the other elements. So you get the other laser cuts, which is more like, I love it. This has like a fence and all different kind of stuff. You have the baubles, the ephemera. I love that apron. It's so cute. I have a picture of my mom in her apron. That will be fun to use. Some more rub-ons. 3 different types. 3 different sheets, I should say. And then the paper collection. So since I didn't open up the other ones, I'm going to open up this one for us to look through. You get the cut apart sheet, which I like that they started doing that. And then these at the bottom on the branding strip, you can cut those and use them as tabs. Super cute. I love that wood grain. There's something about this collection that I really do enjoy. I think it's the mixture of the patterns with not actual reality, but like the shelves and stuff like that. I like the combination of those things. And what I like about 49 and Market, where there's always a side that like kind of draws you. I think that's why I like getting the 2 sheets, because I may want to use both sides, but you can't if you're cutting it up or using the pattern, you know what I mean? So having that second page just opens the window for you to be able to use the sheets in different ways. So that is everything. Can you believe it? I can't believe we went through all that. But I hope you guys enjoy this quick haul video. I don't have a whole lot in pictures, so I'm just gonna load everything here and take a quick snapshot. But if you have any questions, I always try and put the links down to the website. You can also go on your Android or your Apple phone and get the app for my little scrapbook store, and you can always shop right from the app itself. It's so friendly and easy to use. You would not be disappointed. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Now every night this week for the 12 days of Christmas, make sure you join us at 8:30 for the live sales. Okay, thanks again, and I hope you guys have a great day.